I want you guys to roast my game. Let's take a look at the game that you're gonna roast. I started this game 1 month ago and you can play it for 1 minute. Yes, you heard me right. You can play it for 1 minute. On the first day, I created a corridor using Blender and GIMP and even posted a video about it and took a 2 weeks long break. At this point, I became a master at procrastinating. After 2 weeks, suddenly I got a spark inside me and I started working at the game again. This time, I created a player who can walk, sprint and jump, and I gave a flashlight to him and added some sound effects. Oh man, I love this. And I made a video about this too and called it a day. In the next day, I opened the project and I had no idea what I'm gonna do next. So I started brainstorming some ideas for the game and realized I was brainstorming for the past 2 weeks. Eventually, I got a unique idea that the world have never seen: cycling objects. I created 4 different symbols in GIMP. 2 of them are safe and the other 2 are unsafe. They are possessed. And I used a sprite 2D node to display these symbols on the wall. Then I wrote some code to randomly generate these symbols. So every time you play, the symbols will be changed. I used a raycast to detect the player. If the player gets closer to the unsafe symbol, they will be gone forever. And if the player moves away from the safe symbol, again, he will be gone forever. Well, not forever. Now it's time to create the kill animation. I created ghost hands in Blender, and then in Godot, I created this simple kill animation. When the player triggers the raycast, kill animation will be played, and then result screen will be loaded. In the next day, I duplicated the corridor and added a blinking light and created a home screen. Then I created a settings menu where you can turn on and off music and sound effects. Now the player comes to the home screen, click play, and gets trapped inside the corridor. And when he makes a wrong move, the kill animation plays and the player will be gone forever. And the result screen will be loaded. This sounds good, but how can the player win this game? Well, the answer is key. Yes, I added a key and placed it on the other end of the corridor, near the exit door. This cube that you are seeing is the key, and trust me, this is how a key would look in future. If the player opens the door using the key, he wins and then the result screen will be loaded. Unique idea, right? You can never see this kind of shit in any other game. This is all I have for you to roast. Bye.